Hey, we are going to review the Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5 13-inch laptop, full HD touchscreen display. Let's see. So yeah, here's the specs on it. 4 gigs, i3, 64 gigs of RAM, Chrome OS, 2-in-1. There'll be a link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you can. Let's see. Excuse me. Oh, here it is. Here's more info. It's pretty nice. This is actually quite speedy. Okay. Display is 1920 by 1080. Okay, let's see. This is better than the slow Chromebooks. Oh my gosh, I hate slow Chromebooks. They're so annoying. So yeah, here's some reviews. So yeah. So let's see. Let's take a look at the laptop itself. So here's the keyboard. Forward, backward, reset, or refresh. And then also, let's see. There is keyboard lighting. If you do want it higher or lower, you push Alt to increase. It'll show you right there. And then if you want it off, or is it off? So and then there is also screen lighting. You could have it all the way off, all the way high. It's okay. Brightness, it's decent. So there it is on the mute, volume, lock, and then yeah. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, let's see what else to look at. Okay, let's look at. There's speakers on both sides. So yeah. Touchpad. Let's close it up. Chromebook. Let's see. USB, USB-C, headphone jack, SD card. Nothing on that side. Nothing on that side. Power button, volume, USB, and then lock. And then in the back, 2 vents. This does get hot, sort of. Good thing there's a fan. Here's a model number and specs and stuff. Input voltage, manufacture date. Let's see, that's about it. Ventilation in the back. And one long strip of sliding stopper. So let's see. Let's see what else we need to look up. Okay, so let's see. Let's pull up some specs. Get. So running this, well, let's see how loud it gets. Run the CPU. Benchmarking it. Let's see how it runs. I'll tell you what's running. Let me see. It's a pretty decent laptop if you need to get it for the future. You can get it used. I don't know. Depends on what you need it for. This is better for browsing compared to the really cheap one. The really cheap ones are way too slow. It really depends on your time. If you consider your time precious, and you don't want to be like waiting for something to get done, it's like, oh my gosh, this is so annoying. On some of the really, really cheap, like under $100 ones. Right now, during 2022. So yeah, let's see. We'll take a look at the website looking through this. If you could hear it running in the background, the fan is on. I wonder if you could even hear it. So yeah, let's see. Takes a while to run this. Dun-dun. 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 Gundam Heavy Arms. Got it from Japan, guys. So cool. It's like, yeah, build it yourself. Get little miniatures. It's like, yeah. So 9% face detection. Why does it run face detection? These are so cool. Sorry about that. Let's see. Ray tracing, really? Running ray tracing. Benchmarking, results. 900 single core, 17, almost 18. So yeah, there's benchmarks. Here's the specs for those. If you want to take a look at those. Okay, so single core comparison, 900 is like Samsung Galaxy 21, the phone. Okay, multi-core is slow compared to 21, the Samsung Galaxy. And Samsung Galaxy, the closest one to compare it to that's not Xiaomi is, it's slower than the S20. So yeah, there's a benchmark on that. Let's take a look at the COG. There it is. There's a temp sort of after the fan was running. Now it's off. Barely hear it. Battery discharge and other stuff. Let's see. And then websites. Let's go to a website. There's it loading. It's actually quite fast. And the touchscreen is pretty nice. Regarding, let's see, the keyboard, DuckDuckGo, and then look at that. It's already loaded, done. This is browsing the website. It's pretty nice. Look at that. Okay, read, zoom in, boot, boot. And then with zoom in, look at that. That's pretty nice. And then right click. Let's see if I could. Voila. Okay. Let's get at that. You can see how nice it is regarding that. And then there's the websites. Let's go to YouTube. Okay. There's the website YouTube and then the YouTube. YouTube, the app. Let's see. There's YouTube, the app. Let's see how it runs. Got to go to my video. Let's go to that one, Roblox. See how it runs. There's an ad. Look at that. There's the sides. I'm just showing the speed of this. Look at gaming on this Lenovo Flex 5. This all depends on how fast your internet is. Keyboard light, 500 Let's go to video quality. Wrong one. $1080. Let's see how it goes. Loading, and then it froze. There, it's updated. Loading. Look at that. Zoom out. So yeah, there it is regarding the app. Pretty nice and speedy compared to the other one. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, there's the app, and then we'll go to the website. Here's the website. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at this one. Here's a website comparison. Smallized, links, large scale. So yeah, there's that one. So let's see. So yeah, there's that one. Let's see. Regarding the keyboard, if you want the light off or on, let's turn this down, and then you can hold Alt and shut off the keyboard light, and then it'll show you if you want to see it right there. Watch. There's it off, there's it on, and the highest brightness. So you could work in the dark. So yeah, there's that one. Let's see. And then if you want, we are on the website. So you do, if you have Alt, you can go forward, backward, and then you could go up and down slowly. See, Alt, back, Alt forward, then keyboard, and then let's see. Let's try it in tablet mode. And tablet mode. So yeah, let's see. While in tablet mode, you always have your apps. So let's see, or 2-in-1. So Chrome, and then duck, go, duck go. Let's go back to duck. Okay, let's go. It's another app. So yeah, there it is. Let's go to. Let's take a look at this. Asphalt. While on this, the speaker is on the other side. It is on the sides of the keyboard. You can play a few games like this. Most of the touch ones. Full screen, look at that. A little hiccup, but not too much that you care. You're still doing other stuff. Your time is precious. Go do stuff. Like, I'm not kidding. It's like, get stuff done. We don't have time to wait. So yeah, so there it is. And then let's get out. And then, what was the other one? YouTube. The app itself. Let's see. Play my video because you don't want to. Let's see. There it is. Alright, we'll take a look at the apps. And about updating, and it just froze, and it just finished updating to 1080. It does work on 1080, and you can browse. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at it. The apps. Here are the apps that you download. Let's take a look at top charts. Top free, Roblox. That runs. Don't know about that. Among Us should run. This one doesn't run. Diablo doesn't run. Pain in the junk. Trying to get that running, and I couldn't get it to run. I want to play it on here and see how it works. And then, yeah, let's see. Those are the free for now. Top grossing, Roblox. And then, etc. Shadow Raid, Star Trek Command. Top paid. Those are fun. You should play that game if you can. And then let's see. Five Nights at Freddy. Doom. There's a Doom on this. Let's see what it looks like. The original. Weird touchscreens. Grand Theft Auto 3. The Room. GBA emulator. They should run on this. So yeah, let's see. Anything else? Yep, that's about it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll look at it. And so that is it. See you guys. Thanks for watching.